it's me Jafir Sultan, and today is our second class with me. In today's class, we are going to learn the numbers 1 till 20 in fingering, abacus, and mental. So let's get started. So, in our previous class, we have learned the numbers 1 till 9 in fingering. So, we're going to do a little revision and then get on with the new numbers. On our right hand for 1, it is one finger. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And can anyone tell me what 5 is? You're right. It is called magic 5 and it is our thumb. So this is 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we are where we left off last class. Now we are going to learn some new numbers. For 10, we are going to take our left hand and put up one finger. So this is how 10 looks like. This is 11, 12, 13, 14, and how does 15 look like? If 5 is just our thumb, then 15 should be our one finger here and our thumb over here. So this is 15. This is 16, 17, 18, and 19. Now, can you guys tell me what 20 looks like? You're amazing. You're correct. If 10 is this, then 20 must be 2 fingers. So this is how 20 looks like. Now we are going to learn the numbers in abacus. Look, a pencil and an abacus. That means we are going to do the numbers from 1 to 20 in our abacus. So we have to hold our pencil like this and now continue doing the numbers. Now we are going to do some revisions. We did the numbers from 1 to 10 and now we are going to do some revisions and then the new numbers. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Can you guys tell me what 5 looks like? You're right. It is 1 red bead and 0 green beads. Now this is what 6 looks like, 7, 8, and 9. For 10, we will have to do 1 green bead on this side and minus our green beads and red beads on this side. So now we have 10. Can you tell me what 11 looks like? You're right. It is 1 green bead here and another green bead here. So 12, 13, 14, and now 15. For 15, can you tell me what it looks like? You're right. It is 1 red bead and 0 green beads. So now we are going to do 16. So this is what 16 looks like. Then 17, 18, and 19. Can you guys tell me what 20 looks like? You're right. If 10 is like this, then we have to minus 9 and plus 1 green bead on this side. You're absolutely amazing. Now we are going to do numbers in mental. Now we are here at the whiteboard because we are going to learn mental. In mental, we have to imagine an abacus. So, like units column, tens column, and answer line. I'm going to draw it for you so it can be more convenient. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So here we have the units column and here is the tens column. So for mental, we are going to do this. So it's like adding and subtracting. You can't really see the numbers, but you can imagine them. So let's do some imaginating. For 1, we have to do this. So it is like we are plussing a green bead on a big abacus. I'm going to draw it for you so you can see how it looks. This is how it looks when you're doing addition on mental. Now I am going to draw 2. 3 and 4. Now I'm going to show you how to add them in mental. 1, 2, 3 and 4. For 5, I'm going to get rid of these green beads and add a red bead on the top. So this is how 5 looks like. For 5, we are going to minus the 4s, 1, 2, 3, 4. And with our middle finger, we're going to add 5. Now for 6, we're going to add a green bead. For 7, we have to add another, and so on. So 8 and 9. Let me show you how it looks like. So we have to do plus 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now we have 9. Now we're going to move on to 10. Now this is a tricky part, but I'm going to explain it to you. When we have to add a 10, we have to get rid of these numbers on the right and add a green bead on the left column, because this is where the tens come in. For 11, we are going to add another green bead. And for 12, we have to add another, and so on. So 3 and 4. Let me show you how it looks like. So you have to adjust our hand from here to here. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we are going to get rid of these numbers. And now we are going to draw 15 until 19. So let's draw 15. 15 looks like this. Now for 16, we are going to add one extra green bead and so on. So 17, 18 and 19. This is how to do it. So you need to minus the 4, then you have to plus 5, then plus 1 and so on. So 17, 18 and 19. For 20, we are going to get rid of these numbers. And do you know what you're going to do next? I think you can guess. If 10 is one green bead here, then 20 should be, you're right, it should be another green bead here. That was amazing. Now we're going to revise 1 till 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4, plus 5. So now 6, 7, 8, and 9. So then we have to minus 9 to get 10. So minus 9 and plus 1 green bead on the 19. We're going to get rid of 4 to get 5. So minus 4 and plus 5. So now we have 15. For 16, we have to plus 1 and so on. So 17, 18, 19, and now for 20, we're going to get rid of 9. So we are going to remove the 5 and then the 4. Now we are going to add one green bead to the left side. So now we have discussed the numbers from 1 to 20. Well done. Now we are going to do some maths as classwork to see if that practice has paid off. This symbol means that this is fingering. So we are going to do this as fingering theory. Can anyone tell me what 1 plus 5 is? I'm going to show you how it looks. So, 5 plus 1. That was easy. So, the answer is, you're right, the answer is 6. Now, can anyone tell me what 3 plus 5 is? Well, this is also easy. So, first we're going to get 3. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to plus it with 5. So when we plus it with 5, what number do we get? You're right, it is 8. So the answer is 8. Moving on to the next question. Now we're going to go to question number 3. Can anyone tell me what 5 plus 2 is? Well, I think you all can know this, but I'm going to show you how it is done. So, we have to take 5 in our fingering theory. So, 5 and now plus 2. Now we can add up 2 pretty easily by just putting up 2 fingers. So the answer is 7. Now we're going to go to the 4th number question. This question can be a little tricky, but we will go through it. So for this question, it is 5 plus 4. So you get 5, and for 4, we have to take 4 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer is 9. Now this one is a bit more tricky than the rest of these, but we'll get through it. So first we're going to get 2, and then we have to add 1 to this. So I'm adding 1. And now we have to plus 5. So when we have to plus 5, we need to take our thumb. So the answer is 8. We are done with our classwork today. Today I am also giving you guys some homework. I'll say you the sums and you'll have to say me the answers in the comments below so I can see if they are correct. Keep on practicing. We are done with fingering theory, so now we are going to go on to abacus sums. The first sum is 2 plus 5, and now I'm going to show you in abacus. In abacus, we are going to do 2, and now we are going to plus 5. So the answer is 7. Now, so I'm going to write 7 as the answer. And the next sum is 4 plus 5. And now I'm going to show you in the abacus. So the sum is 4 plus 5. So we're going to plus 4 and we're going to plus 5. So the answer is 9. Now I'm going to write 9 as the answer. The next equation is 5 plus 1. So the sum is 5 plus 1. So I'm going to take 5 and now we're going to plus 1. So the answer is 6. Now I'm going to write 6 as the answer. Now we're going to go to equation 4. 5 plus 3. The equation is 5 plus 3. So I'm going to take 5 and I'm going to plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 8. Now I'm going to write 8 on the whiteboard. Let's go to equation 5. Now this is a tricky one, but we're going to go through it. It is 1 plus 5 plus 3. The sum is 1 plus 5 plus 3. So we're going to take 1, then 5 and then 3. So the answer is 9. Now on the whiteboard I'm going to write 9. Now we are done with abacus. Now we are going to go over to mental. Now we are going to do mental sum, and our first equation is 1 plus 1. This is pretty easy, but let me show you in mental. So 1 and 2. So the answer is 2. Now for equation 2. For the second equation, it shows 1 plus 2. This is also easy. So 1 and then plus 2. So 1 and 2. The answer is 3. You have to imagine the abacus. Now let's go to equation 3. 1 plus 3. So let me draw the abacus. And now so 1 and plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 4. Now for the fourth equation. This is pretty tricky, but we can go through it. It is 2 plus 1 plus 1. So let me just draw the abacus. So 2, 1, 2 and plus 1. So 3 and then plus another one. So that is 4. That means the answer is 4. Now for our final question of the day. For the equation 5, it is 3 plus 1. So let me draw the abacus. For 3, we need to plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 and plus 1. So 4. So the answer is 4. We are done with mental. So in this video, we have covered the numbers in fingering theory, abacus theory and mental theory. And we have done 5 equations using each theory. Here I have some homework for you. They are from fingering, abacus and mental theory. You may pause the video to write the answers or to work out the equations. You can go to lesson 1 to learn the basics about abacus, and don't forget to post these answers